thing is, you only got to fuck up once.
Mm-hmm.
Be a little slow. Be a little
late. Wow. I'm sorry, that was good. That's...
Get this go back.
Who asked you to be doing all that Zooming, child? Can you focus on me? What's up, you guys? Today I'm coming back with The Wire. Excuse my voice, I do not feel good. I'm coming out with the flu.
It's not Corona, it's not the Rona, alright?
This is season 1, episode 5. It is called The Pager. Oh my god. So I'm guessing they're doing it with the Angelo, or probably the whole crew.
They hung up without saying.
They hung up without saying.
What you can? You never used the damn phone to hear no how.
No how.
Sorry, baby. When did you get them phone lines about the house? Out the apartment? Why? I'm saying, what Shantae gonna say about not having a line in our own place? Alright. Got you. What's up, man? You got a problem? Good. I'm just saying, though, man. It seems like we just going past careful, man, with all this, man. Like, we bugging out or something.
No, y'all ain't
like
bugging.
Paranoid and shit.
You right on the money.
Nah, I don't want to use his phone. I used his phone yesterday. What you blowing out your mouth for, man? You act like ain't nobody out to get me, man? Don't got no motherfucking enemies?
Very smart. Avon is catching on. He's feeling a hunch that like something ain't right. You know, your gut feeling saying, you follow that always. Follow that intuition, and that's what he's doing. He's following his intuition. Like, nah, we used this yesterday. Nah, we need to get them lines out. Because he feels something is off. So he's smart. He's smart. Avon is smart, you know. I mean, I really don't know that. So I haven't really seen his character that much. So no, I did not know. Don't hurt me, y'all. I did not know he was that smart. Or that intuitive. When I say too. So, you know. Oh, and by the way, while I got y'all on the intro, put the subscribers up. What? Thank you so much, loves. I really appreciate y'all subscribing to my channel. This keeps me motivated. I love this show, y'all. So y'all making me love it more than I thought I would. So
yeah, y'all making me love it. Like, damn.
So thank y'all. And I love y'all comments. A little slow, a little late. Avon Barksdale. Oh, what the hell was that?
It's so easy. Them inside chumps, they ain't nothing like Avon's people. Watch, y'all gonna see. Alright, now y'all gonna be here, right? Hey, yo, boo! Yeah. Barely.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I love Omar, y'all. I'm sorry. Like, it does my heart good to see him.
Omar, reach short, man. House foot. 3. Tell him to throw a couple at you.
Gay?
I mean, what the hell is this?
Yeah, Holmes. You figure they're going through the alley for sure. Man, rats always run the holes in time of danger. And you him, ain't you? Who? Danger. Nah, man, I'm just a nigga with a plan, that's all. With a shotgun. For sure.
Facts.
Spoken like a true troglodyte. Foundation of your case, detective. You laid in right, you can build on it. You laid in wrong, everything on top false.
Okay, we moving. Let's go.
You solemnly swear and affirm that the affidavit is true and accurate to the best of your knowledge?
I do.
Then by the power vested in me, I now declare you man and wife.
Yeah. This is crazy, y'all. This is happening. It's going to be tapped.
This is the one carried by D'Angelo Barksdale. He gets a page, we get a page.
So, we up now?
Official.
You're up.
Yay!
Game begin.
My God, dying over here, y'all.
What the fuck? I know you fucking lying. He is such a badass, bro. In broad day.
Woo! You know he gonna shoot.
Yeah.
Oh Lord, not the chain.
Hands alone.
Gonna snatch the chain too?
How you know? Dumbass. You gotta be in some pussy to get it, alright?
Wait a minute. How we jump to this?
If you want. He's a big ass cutter, right? He's a trash bag. Fuck that. I wouldn't run up in that bitch with D'Angelo's dick. It's tight.
Well, leave Michael alone now. He's playing with his little stuff now. Leave him alone. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, what are you doing? Why?
Easy to see why niggas come around here stealing our shit. Yo, you know what? You know what, nigga? What?
That was so unnecessary. Why would you do that? He is just a kid.
Get it.
Trial and error, huh?
He's got the same numbers on the readout of the clone pager, so it's not the recorder.
He's mostly using a code to cover their calls.
Uh-huh.
It's pretty damn sophisticated.
What is?
He using it. Did he just say?
One of the telephone numbers in the pager messages.
How you know?
Every time the Barksdale kid's pager goes off, this machine gives us a message in time. McNulty's carrying a clone pager, but this is what we use in court. Same with those pen registers.
Every time someone uses either the payphones in the low-rise court, we get the telephone number, the time, and the duration of the call.
Incoming calls too.
Spy shit. Very cool. You say they're
Good scope.
Oh, shit.
Here at the try, we pop Omar, get a gun. He might let us work him.
Oh, Lord.
Anything coming through on the pager?
8 hits so far.
Well, Omar talk to them?
Most of them in some kind of code.
But then again, what does it say about us if we can't break it?
You want to run Bob's back downtown? I'll sit here and wait for you.
All right.
Bo was in the car the whole time.
Not a goddamn thing. Yeah, boring, ain't it?
All y'all do what y'all do every day and not want to get hired. That's what I'll be asking. It's been a little hectic down here, right, cuz?
String man, I can't lie. Them stick-up boys, they caught us dead up. And the knockers, I don't know what the fuck that was.
You know, the uncle and me, we think you're gonna snitch up in the shop. What? Someone who tips off the stick-up crew. Now, what you gonna do, you gonna call him like you gonna pay him, and then you crack him. You tell him you're not happy with what they fucking pass as work down here, and when you're not happy, they ain't getting paid. You feel me?
Yeah, but string man, you don't pay a nigga, he ain't gonna work for you.
But I say, you don't play about money.
They're gonna buck a little, but they're not gonna walk.
Right.
You're gonna give respect. Yeah. And then when that money run out,
Oh, no.
you and roll on you and ask you for an advance and shit, and they flat ass broke, them the niggas that you struck off your list. But that nigga that stay eating, the nigga that steady rolling, ain't asking you for shit, that's the nigga I wanna hear about. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
What's happening? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? You in the fucking room?
You're like, man, I just bought that shit. Y'all, why y'all remind me I ain't taking notes?
He's out. Here's your sofa.
They were fresher than me.
I did. For Christ's sakes, Elena, I'm their father. You think I'd let them sleep on the floor? Yes, I got them. Sheets, pillows, comforters, pillowcase. I fucking
Y'all,
got them.
Elaine ain't finna get on my nerves this episode.
Hello?
Just called the mother of your children a cunt.
He did.
Yes, you fucking did.
No, I did not. I got some stuff to do.
He just vented to you, child. You just gotta let him vent. He won't call her a cunt, let him call him her cunt. He ain't gonna say it to her face. Oh, McDonald's, he always drinking. Lord Jesus, boy, never go give out.
They ain't gonna be playing. From Boys Village. Man, I'm 16. Alright? What the fuck they gonna do?
16?
It's the least of your worries, my friend. I got a partner outside.
But you know you 30 in real life. No, it's playing. Well, you don't look like no. You a good 24.
Kirkman's off the leash on this one.
16. Who you think you fucking with?
Suppose you at the other end of that leash, huh?
Oh, 16. Boy, bye. Oh, he's trying to relate.
You came up hard.
Flag House Projects. East Side.
Yeah. Flag house.
I'm thinking you should work something out.
What do I get?
Lord Jesus. A chalk outline, because they're going to kill you.
What you want? For you to suck my dick.
Oh, shit. Oh, I was nervous for a second. Oh, shit.
That's two.
I forgot he had a girl.
Follow me, please.
What happened to the stripper?
Okay.
What's going on? Why is it so monotone and quiet?
The waiter will be with you shortly.
They is like right by the door. Like, damn.
You should have pushed him, D.
Dang, girl. Excuse you.
Oh, my God. Good luck. Then you been drinking? Boy, you gonna, they gonna fall apart. Let that boy go. Shit.
For the crumbs. Yeah, right. Like your dinner?
Yeah. That chef was right.
Yeah, it was good, right?
I ain't see nothing. I can at least have saw the food.
They know.
Do they know what?
You know what I'm about.
What you mean, D?
Girl, put it together.
No, it's like after we finish, we gonna go down to the hall and walk around a little bit, you know, acting like we belong down there. You know what I'm saying?
So? Your money good, right? D, we only...
You know, I'm just saying, you know, I feel like some shit just stay with you.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying? Like, how did you try? You still can't go nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Can I interest you in dessert?
Right.
Boy, don't nobody give a damn about you and your story. You got money, you get to be whatever you say you are. That's the way it is.
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. These are the samples. And for you, sir? Very good.
Stop playing with his top, bro. He looking at her ass different. Like, what is wrong with her? Like, she just don't want to be there with him. Like, he moving on to that stripper. He moving the hell on. He's like, girl, you old news. You gonna think the same like how they think. And they ain't trying to be with it.
We got him out of there. We'll send in the smokers. They can run out all
a nigga who got game, and we put him on our team.
We want to run it.
So let's think up here, right? He wants a shot, so he gets a shot.
60. That might be your whole damn salary, but I clocked that shit in minutes. Rag 'em and break 'em.
You guys waiting for juvenile intake? He's in the squad room.
No, they were just having fun.
If I had more time, I'd run you. Give you a tip, Preston. You wanna run a hustle? Let's stay with what you know. Man, fuck you and your tight ass advice, alright?
Swear to God.
But that sandwich was good.
Oh, I love it.
Behind it. It's just simple as that. Get your team together. Feel me? So go away from me downstairs. I'll be down in a minute, man. We're gonna make this money run in a few. Smile or something, nigga.
Right. They ain't look right. They ain't see right. I don't feel right. Can I tap that?
2 weeks. Over the game. Blast.
Oh, yeah.
Nah.
You said that white boy? Oh, no, baby. He ain't looking too good. Is he alright? He got his hair and all that other stuff.
What you had that for?
I fucked up, man.
Damn.
Say I got the bug.
Bug.
Bug, huh? I checked him when I was in the house.
Are they sure?
I know you lying. Child, you ain't finna skip past this conversation like we.
Come back sooner, but I've been kind of like a mission.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. Some hoppers that beat you down, they got problems now. Yeah, them many people that swing for you.
What?
Put the police on their ass.
Police? Yeah. Would you get locked up or something?
No, come on. No, I'm not working for them. I'm working with them. They don't give me why. Why? How you gonna ask me why? Why the fuck you in here, man, with all these falling out motherfuckers? Why you passing shit to a bag? Why they beat you down? Why I couldn't do nothing about it?
Great acting.
It's all part of the game, right? I mean, you taught me that.
I love Bubs, bro.
You worry about getting a damn cure. Shit.
Sit down.
I'd rather not.
May I ask you a question that is essential to your career?
Yes, I'm on.
Who do you serve?
God.
I am asking you. You wrap up this thing with narcotics in 2 weeks. You put yourself back in the rotation when we go back to night work. You do that, and you're back in the fold.
Thanks, Jake.
What a deal.
No problem.
You having too much fun.
I'm gonna say something to him, right? You should. Chill.
Now don't get quiet and ass, scared ass.
Go till payday, because you know right now we some broke ass niggas, man.
That Michael B. Jordan taller than
Whoever did our girl,
so smart.
we'll get a month earlier. Like it. And those two are definitely straight up drug executions.
Mm-hmm.
No mention of DNI the file. But I did get a fresh number on Toronto back up.
You weren't followed here.
Why would we be followed?
DJ was playing with scary people.
Who might that be?
All right, girl, come out with it.
You know, you called this in.
Might as well snitch. You got them already there.
Talk to her the night she was killed.
Yeah, she called. It was late. She didn't talk long. She said she had to go. Dee was at the door.
And that was the last time you spoke with her.
Yeah.
Or was it Dee?
That night.
D was her boyfriend?
No, Dee was his nephew or something.
D would be D'Angelo Barksdale. And the boyfriend friend Avon Barksdale?
You know Avon.
Question is, how do you...
Who don't?
And one time he was there with all his people, one of those big boots, ordering drinks, acting like he was king of everything. And Deidre ate that shit up, kinds of things.
She threatened Avon Barksdale.
Girl was off the hook. One time, she threatened to write a letter out.
Oh, Omar.
A letter.
Letter to the state's attorney.
But Avon has a club.
Orlando's titty bar.
Does he own it?
That's what Deidre said. She said he owned a whole mess of stuff.
Look, I'm writing it down too, child.
Why the music? Why y'all trying to copyright me? Huh? It's already hard enough to put this shit up.
Hell yeah.
Figured you knew.
Dang, girl, calm down. He mad at it. Oh, he going after her. He getting her.
Why did you do that? Did you take his money?
No, I didn't take his money.
I like them two together. Shut up. Cause her ass, I don't.
You buy me a drink.
Can I see you sometime?
Oh, Lord of Jesus. Ooh, not using it. Y'all, should I like it? Oh, no. Oh, shit.
He's got the club. He's got the warehouse. He's got the apartment building by Druid Hill Lake. Got the tow truck company. And that's just what she knew from what he bragged about as a dead girl.
Fucking dope fiend. Tell you. Them fucking people hate to be relied on.
You always gotta talk like that, man. F this and F that.
Well, he'll hate me.
Mustafa, what I mean to say. Don't nobody wanna hear them dirty words, man.
Ooh.
Especially coming from such a beautiful mouth. Early bird catch the worm, dog.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. What did I expect, but... Oh, fuck my head.
Fuck.
It would have worked if you knew the code.
Wait.
I'm as surprised as you. Take the 7, jump it over the 5. You get 3. Jump the 1 over the 5. You get 9. With 4, you get 6. 3, that's 7. 4 is 6. A 3 again,
7,
and 2
8.
is 8. 0 switches with the 5. So 7, 1, 4. 3, 4, 3, 2. Our number.
Oh, shit.
And that's the code. Yeah. And it works because it's all about where the buttons are on a phone. So all you gotta do is jump the 5 button. Ain't no math to it, it's just how a phone looks when you look at it.
Press, you little
Genius.
Hell yeah, that's so good.
Damn, everybody kissing her.
Ragging at me to take him out of here and put him in a private nursing home. Tell you something, man. You about to see your uncle. You understand me? It's family. Family is what counts. Family is what it's about. Family will always be there because it's blood. Live the life, lead the life. Ain't no big thing. He used to talk that shit all the time and he believed it. You know what I'm saying? What's up, baby? Talk that shit now. Right now. He scare you, don't he?
You know, I'm just saying.
He scares me. Yeah. See, the thing is, you only got to fuck up once.
Mm-hmm.
Be a little slow. Be a little
Late. Wow.
be slow.
Right.
Never be late. You can't plan for no shit like this, man.
Right.
It's life. Yeah.
Wow.
Scares me.
I'm sorry, that was good. That's a little teary-eyed. I don't even know why.
Yeah. Tonight for a sleepover.
That was good.
Call for backup?
Not yet.
He know y'all following him.
See how it plays out.
Yeah, he know. Who's that in this truck? Oh.
Only put me back up in no cage. I'm not here to bury you, Omar. We're pulling you up because we got a problem in common. Problem? Barksdale. Nah, he ain't no problem. I don't know. Avon's been chalking up a lot of bodies. You being you. Put it that way, I guess he could be a little problem. But I just can't really come out and help y'all. You know what I mean? Snitching just rubs me wrong. Personally, I don't think the game is played like that. And we respect that. If you do happen to take a charge, though, I'm McNulty, that's Greg's. You give us a call, we'll sort something out. And, back when your brother was up there,
No heart, Anthony?
you get a chance, let him know they blew up John Bailey last night. Good man. A lot of enemies. Come on, don't blame me. One working man, one bird. Come on, now ain't but one working man, now is there? A bird? I think your snitch can handle that. The Bubble's no bird.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Bubbles. Oh, everybody's starting to catch up.
I gotta say a piece. We should have had a tap and Project Payphones by now. A wire there will get us the drugs. Keep pushing, we'll get a whiff of the money too. Now I know you're serious about climbing that career ladder, and I know how slippery it gets the higher you go. But for me, I don't want to go to no dance unless I can rub some tit.
Always a pleasure, Lester. Oh, he did. Oh, cute. You went to pick up the kids and they wasn't there, huh?
So what you say to make them pay up? I told them to give it up and I'm taking out of the account. Shit.
I'll pump nigga when I got you.
Oh, okay. She have no ass. He just a fucking lover boy. They gonna get fucked up. Oh!
Yo, that's him. That's him.
Oh, my boyfriend. What you talking about? Oh, I thought he was white. I said light skin. They said light skin. Why would you be out there by yourself, boy?
I'm the king of this shit.
Well, everybody came to ping ball over the damn game, man.
Everybody good at that. He was right. Wow. Y'all, this is good.
Hey, yo, find the phone real quick. Look like my man D got himself an emergency. He been stuck up again?
Oh my my God. Like, what's that? I don't know his name. He's the actor.
My people want one of Omar's boys down to Greece.
Oh, hell, you told Stringer.
Ain't nobody coming. Yo, D said wait.
Right.
D said wait.
See, Michael, man, he gonna climb up.
Told you. Yo, he's still in there?
Yeah, he in there playing the games.
Alright. You sharp, son. What's your name?
And Wallace.
Wallace? Alright. This nigga gonna point him out to us.
Y'all, something just, oh my God. Fuck.
Yeah.
I love how they're not like running into shit.
My battery low. Fuck, 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 fuck. I always be low on something.
Okay, anyway, it's gonna die anyway. I can already tell how it's gonna play out. Y'all let me know if I'm wrong, but I'll discuss the end. Hold on. Let's go back to the beginning. Okay, so it started with Avon. We haven't seen him in a minute, but we got a lot of Avon and Stringer this episode. Yay! I ain't seen them niggas in a long time. What y'all was doing? Sit down somewhere, learning your lines. He was basically feeling paranoid about the phones, and he ain't paranoid. He dead on the damn money. He's trying to switch things up because, you know, that gut feeling. If you being highly extra sensitive and sensitive to shit, yeah, it's for a reason. All right. So he dead on the money with that. And then we move on to like the little smaller scenes where McNulty fixing his room for his sons, fixing the bed while he was drunk. Child, good luck with that, because them kids gonna go fall right through the damn baseboard. But nah, he looked like he did a good job. We also see Preston, I think that was his name, playing pool and eating sandwiches with Hurt and the other guy. They get on my nerves. So I think they gonna end up liking him. You know what I'm saying? But let's move on to Omar being a motherfucking badass, man. He's a badass. Oh my God. This man came down the block with a shotty, humming, whistling, whatever you want to call it. That chain, that boyfriend like,
Yes, bitch.
But man, they over here butting and clotting people. I love Omar. And you know, later on we see Omar go to the cemetery, which he knew all along that y'all was, come on now, y'all, come on, you can't fool nobody in the hood. And so he was just like, he was getting them breadcrumbs, but he wasn't really snitching because he's like, that's not part of the game.
Yeah, snitching is part of the game, homie.
He might not be respected, but it's a part of the game. Basically, like, ask Bubbles. Ask Bubbles who Bird is, by the way. And who the fuck is Bird? Did I miss that? Who's Bird? Yeah, so I love Omar. He's like, okay, they got a little something to do with me.
Fucking gotta work soon.
They officially got the papers from the judge and from McNulty, little side piece. That they can tap the pagers and stuff because all the other evidence didn't pan out, and they solemnly swear that they did it, and they didn't. Okay, so they on the money with that, and you can see it being used throughout the episode. And who cracked the code? Who cracked the code? Who was it?
Shit, I forgot my damn self.
Was it Prez? Prez. Basically, he like puzzles and he figured it out in an episode. That's what's up, Prez. At least you're good for something. So it's a 5-button dilly. If you hit 1, you get 9. If you hit 6, you get 4. If you hit 3, you get 7. 8, you get 2. So he on the money. So good job, Prez. Yeah, got the little smoochy smooch with Magno T. Speaking of smoochy smooch, Omar, I forgot. Y'all, I was shocked as fuck. I don't know why I was so shocked. God. Oh, my eyes. Oh, man. It's so weird, y'all. It's so weird. I'm sorry. We'll go more into being animated, but I don't feel good. I'm sorry, y'all. The girlfriend wanted to push the waiter for a better table, and she reminded me of watching 1 or 2 episodes of Power. She reminded me of the wife of Ghost from Power. Like, he trying to get out the game, and she trying to, that's why she was attracted to him, because he was in the game, and she trying to keep him in the game.
And the boy like, bitch.
I'm trying to get out the game. Now a lot of people make it out. I'm trying to get out with my little club. Now, shut up. And she was just so over him, and I could tell, and he could tell, everybody could tell. And if she is, then she can go, because this man taking you out, takes you to a fancy little dinner. He said he, in so much sense, trying to tell you can get out the hood, but the hood's still in you, or something like that. He was basically saying, bitch, we need to leave, but if we do leave, it's still gonna haunt. The things I saw, the things I heard, things I went through, it still haunts me. Even if they take me to the White House, still gonna haunt me to this day. So he was basically trying to spill his guts out, and she wasn't hearing it because she just wanted some damn chocolate cake. Figure that shit out. Avon and Stringer giving promotions.
Why was that so funny?
Avon owns a club, a tow truck company, an apartment, a warehouse, child, a 7-Eleven. Like, they showed a surveillance camera in the alleyway. Something with that damn camera. I ain't seen Buzz use in a while, unless they don't show that. He's too busy being a snitch. But who cares, Buzz a snitch? I mean, well, everybody apparently already know. I know Omar know. So he was basically like, that's the game. Okay, get beat up, get fucked up. You went over here and talked to the police, like, why are you doing that? I understand his part, like, why? Like, that's what I said, like, y'all, he deserved that damn ass whooping. But I can understand why Bubs did it, because that's his friend. I would have did the same thing for my friend. Like, but you finna get snitched on, you finna go under the jail.
So, I'm gonna break all this down.
Alright? So I can see Bub's side too, like, bitch, I did this for you, bitch, I'm not here just snitching for my damn health. But Bubs, of course, like they don't stop nothing. I'm gonna keep reviewing my shit. I love y'all, so I'm gonna keep reviewing it. See? But no, I keep being a snitch too. I mean, it gives him purpose, you know what I'm saying? Be a little slow, be a little late. That was the most, how can I say it? Not impactful scene. Best acted scene I've saw in a long time. And I can put that on everything. Like Tony Satchery. That was one for the books. I'm sorry. I don't know who the fuck Bird is. And my boyfriend, I found out that Michael B. Jordan's name is Wallace. After all this time, I ain't know that boy name. And they got my boyfriend. This is what I want to say in the beginning. I think, and don't quote me, but I think and I believe that Weebay, was that Weebay? Yeah, Weebay showed the handcuffs. So I think they're gonna kidnap Omar's boyfriend for ransom until Omar gives them back their stuff or pay them back or something like that. Cause Stringer, he ain't just gonna, I feel like he ain't just gonna kill you. He just gonna torture you or something like that. Stringer play mind games and shit. Like, he very, very, very calculated. Go get me some emergency C. As always, my precious, I love y'all so much. Like if you want to keep seeing these reactions. comment, put anything, everything you want in the comments. I love all y'all comments. Of course, I read every single one of them and take my time. Before I like it, I take my time and read the comment and put it in my mind like, okay, I remember they said this, so that's how that scene went. That's what they meant. Okay, thank you. So thank y'all so much. Keep coming and subscribe to my channel if you want to keep seeing me do these reactions. Love y'all supporting this subscription.
It's Netflix.
Sure, you hit that notification bell. I've been seeing y'all. Ooh, so thank you so much to all my subscribers, to all the likes, to all the comments, and to all the people that hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. I love y'all so much. Have a great one. Take care.